guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy HummingBird Finance on Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first you need to get Trust Wallet on your iPhone or Android. It's free to download on Google Play Store and App Store, and once you download it, then you need to set up 12-word query phrase and you're good to go. And then you need to have some Binance coin in order to on Trust Wallet in order to buy HummingBird Finance. So you can buy Binance coin on Trust Wallet itself by pressing buy, selecting BNB, putting the amount in the payment method, and you can buy here, but the fees are high, so I highly advise you to buy Binance coin on Binance Exchange with the lowest fees there, and also you will get bonus on your deposit if you basically use my referral code in the description below or in the comments. And yeah, so if you buy on another exchange or you have another wallet than Trust Wallet, then you need to transfer on Trust Wallet. So you need to press receive, select BNB, copy this wallet address and put where you have your Binance coin, put amount and transfer to Trust Wallet. And once you have on Trust Wallet, then you need to select on the quick menu Binance coin again, select more, swap to Smart Chain, and swap your Binance coin to Binance Smart Chain, right? And then press done. And once you do that, then you need to click on the browser. And if you're using Trust Wallet with your iPhone for the first time, probably you will not see browser option, so you need to go on Safari, put this link, trust browser enable, and press go. I will leave this link in the description below as well, so you can find it easily. And then browser option will appear, and look under the popular PancakeSwap, and make sure you're connected to the wallet on the top right corner. Press connect Trust Wallet, select currency, go back on coin market cap and look for HummingBird Finance, this coin, and then under the contract, copy the contract ID, go back on Trust Wallet, paste it here, and as you can see here, HummingBird Finance will appear, and you can buy on Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.